Well, the batteries died on me on the last one there, so this is what I ended up with. I bent the head over. So now what I need to do is heat it up a little bit so I can do some details. The fire almost went out on me. Perfect. Get a good grip on it here. Now comes the difficult part. It helps if you have an apprentice. Put the old eyeball in there. And we'll get the end of the snout there. And a drop. That's okay. Now it's time for the chisel bit. Flip it around. Stick her back in there because we got a curly and scroll up. Careful with this storm. This thing's over 100 years old, and this blower, it will overheat your metal in a heartbeat. I'm not going to quench it. That's pretty much what it looks like when it's done. This is the first one of these I'm going to make. I don't know. I'm finding that with these are actually diamond horseshoes. It's a good steel, but I'm afraid there's too much carbon in it or something. I don't know, but they will snap like most metals when you quench them. So this will go into the sand. And I'll let it sit there. Put it in the sand so it takes longer to cool off. That way it normalizes a little bit better. But alrighty then. Thank you.